Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to solve for this problem. So the first step is for us to read the question. Then later we are going to identify what we need to find, the unknown quantity. Alright, Mrs. Ho has some money. She bought 3 dozen brand A pens. So at this point, right, I would have taken note that this one would be 36. 3 times 12. 1 dozen is 12, is 36. She also received $1.08 after that with this amount of money. If she had bought another brand B pen, and this pen cost 15 cents less, she could have bought 48 pens with just 1/3 of the money she originally had. Comes the most important thing now. What is the price of each brand A pen she bought? So this one would then be our unknown that we will need to find. And we have successfully completed step 1. Step 2, then we will have to use a letter to represent this. So I'm going to just write it down that we are going to let X be the price of each brand A pen. Alright? And we are going to next express other quantities in terms of X. In this case, brand B pen, 15 cents less. So that will be the price of each brand B pen will be 15 cents less means minus, right? If we have X, we are going to minus 15 cents each. Okay. Next, and because now I know, I will want to find something here. What is the cost of 48 pens? Cost of 48 brand B pens. Then it will simply be 48 multiplied by this X minus 15, because that is the price for one brand B pen. And I'm going to simplify it first. 48x and negative 720. And I'm going to, at this point, go back to the 3 dozen brand A pens, and they receive $1.08 left with that amount of money. Okay, and after which 1/3 of the money. So you can see that this one I would have something like this, where we are now going to find the amount of money. Okay, that one will be in purple. Okay, so the amount of money originally is 36 times X, and yet I will have a change of $1.08, which translates to 108 cents. And now I'm going to form the equation now. Alright, I'm going to form the equation because I know 48 brand B pens cost 1/3 of this. So what does this mean? This means that if I have, alright, this means that my 48x minus 720, that's how much I paid for 48 brand B pens, is simply equals to the original money. I'm going to divide by 3, 1/3. And I'm going to now solve this equation, and I'm going to take out 3 as the common factor for a reason, okay? Because this means that I can then divide by 3 for the right hand side of this equation, and I will get 48x minus 720 equals to 12x plus 36. And now I'm going to simplify this, okay? I'm going to change to orange color. So I'm going to add 720 on both sides, so that I'm only left with, so that 720 minus 720 equals to 0. And I will get 36 plus 720, that will give me 756. I am going to minus 12x on both sides, such that 12x minus 12x equals to 0. And I will have 36x equals to 756. And moving on, I'm going to divide by 36 on both sides, so that I will be able to find my 1x. 21. And therefore, the price, please finish off the last step, which is to write out the answer. The price of each brand A pen is equals to 21 cents. Or you can write it in this form as well. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.